Hello, and welcome to today's episode in UpKeep's video series, where we share vital tools and resources for maintenance and reliability teams. I'm Ryan Chan, CEO and founder of UpKeep. Today's episode will unveil the ins and outs of setting up a monthly cleaning schedule for your bar or restaurant. We'll delve into identifying problem areas, prioritizing them, and scheduling cleanings. On top of that, we'll discuss how to ace health inspections and keep your inventory organized. So, let's dive right in. Running a bar or restaurant is no easy task. It involves dealing with hot oil, sticky simple syrup, and perishable produce, which can quickly turn your establishment into a breeding ground for bacteria and mold. To keep your bar or restaurant sparkling clean, it's crucial to establish a monthly cleaning schedule. This not only ensures a clean environment for serving food and drinks, but also helps you earn top grades from health inspectors. First things first, let's talk about identifying problem areas in kitchens and bars. In kitchens, you need to keep an eye on areas like behind and underneath cooking stations, produce coolers, stove exhaust hoods, grease traps, storage racks, and plumbing on sinks and food prep areas. These are areas that often get dirty but generally aren't clean during the daily routines. Bars are no different. They handle liquids like water, sugary juices, wine, and cocktail mixers, creating damp and unsanitary conditions. Some problem areas for bars include floor drains, floor mats, the interior of glass washing machines, plumbing underneath ice wells and sinks, storage coolers, storage areas for glassware and bottles, ventilation areas on coolers and ice machines. Once you've identified these problem areas, it's time to prioritize them. Make a list and rate each area as high, medium, or low priority based on how dirty these areas get, how important it is that they be clean, and how difficult they are to clean. For example, dirty grease traps in a kitchen can result in fires, making them a high priority area. Now let's move on to scheduling a cleaning calendar. Start by determining how often to schedule cleanings. You can do this by talking to department heads like the chef or kitchen manager, bar manager, etc., to see how long it's been since an area was cleaned. This will help you figure out how quickly grime builds up. Next, find the best days and times to schedule cleanings. Look at shift reports to see the average number of guest covers during certain days and times. Finding days and times that have consistently low customer traffic will help you block out times for cleaning duties. If possible, schedule employees to come in outside of service hours to clean. If you're scheduling employees for cleaning shifts, create a special log-in or job duty that provides them a higher hourly compensation for cleaning shifts. And remember, it's good practice to rotate cleaning shift assignments across employees so the same employees aren't stuck with cleaning duties each month or week. Next, let's talk about passing health inspections. It's not just about offering the best service to guests and maintaining a healthy environment for your employees. It's also about complying with health codes for your city and state. So make sure you're in compliance with the law by reviewing your local health codes. You can find health code requirements online if you go to your local Department of Health website. Keeping inventory organized is another crucial aspect of maintaining a clean bar and restaurant. Cluttered storage areas can hide unsanitary conditions and make cleaning much more difficult. For kitchens, this means keeping produce coolers organized with proper labels and dates on storage containers. For bars, having a liquor inventory solution is key for keeping your bar and storage areas organized and neat. Thank you for joining us in today's episode. We've covered how to identify and prioritize problem areas, schedule cleanings, pass health inspections, and keep your inventory organized. For more resources and tips, please subscribe to our channel and visit us at upkeep.com. Remember, a clean bar or restaurant is a successful one. Stay tuned for more insights from UpKeep.